With a hop and a skip and a roll and a jump, I explore every question that flies around me. Tossing it and turning it, juggling it and swinging it. I turn it upside down, I turn it inside out. With a hop and a skip and a roll and a jump, I explore every question that flies around me. Tossing it and turning it, juggling it and swinging it. I turn it upside down, I turn it inside out. I think, I wonder, I ponder, I examine till I find the answers to know. To be sure, is my love for all time? Is my love for all time?
Deep in the forest, beyond the apricot and the mango trees, all kinds of birds and small animals live and die. The birds chirp and flutter, chatter and sing, quarrel and make up all day long. They go busily, alone or in groups, searching for food, laying eggs, building their nests, teaching their chicks how to fly, and taking care of the old and aged among them. The birds are passionate in the defense of their eggs and maternal in the protection of their chicks. On the first Sunday of the first month of spring, there was a huge commotion in the jungle. A huge eagle had landed in the jungle with her chicks. The birds were amazed to see such a large bird. Her wingspan was longer than the top of the apricot tree, and her talons were bigger than a sparrow's body.
Speckles went up to Baldy the eagle and asked, "Who are you? Where do you come from? And how long will you stay? Go away, can't you see I am busy? We are little birds living peacefully here. Though you may not have intended it, but you frightened some of us today. You are a pest. Did I not tell you to go away and leave me alone? Bother me again and I will teach you all a lesson. Please, please, please don't get angry."
Baldy turned sharply and lunged at Speckles.
The eagle is a bully. The eagle is a bully. A coward, a hater, unfriendly, unloving, uncaring, a bully. The eagle is a bully. The eagle is a bully. Teach her a lesson, attack altogether, scratch her and hurt her, drive her far away. The eagle is a bully. The eagle is a bully. Attack, attack, attack.
I hope you informed everyone about this meeting. Yes, but I do not know whether Speckles will be able to make it or not. She is badly injured. Damn Baldy, damn Baldy. Baldy is very dangerous. We have to make sure that Baldy should never get to know about our meeting place, our secret location. I think all of us should attack her at night in a surprise move. The plan should remain very secret. Yes, Brownie? At 2 a.m. tonight, no one will sleep. I will collect very sharp twigs and attack her from behind. Softly, Robin. You don't want to be hurt, do you? Okay. I will fetch some water and throw it in her eyes to confuse her. Yes, Leggy. And I will bring some dust and throw it in her eyes. And then all of you join and attack together. But remember, no one should go near her beak. I will fetch a long vine and use it as a rope to tie both her feet together. And I will also get some extra vines. 4 of you, Hummer with Leggy from left side and Quanks with Skipper from the right, will quietly walk up to her and quickly tie her up to the tree. We must do all of this in exact 7 seconds so that Baldy does not get a chance to react. Remember, it's all about timing. If you delay even by a few extra seconds, Baldy, who is so powerful, will kill all of us.
They did not want such a cruel and unfriendly bird amongst them. So they decided to attack Baldy together. They pierced and pecked Baldy. But alas, Baldy was longer, stronger, and more powerful than them. She mangled and bruised all the little animals and left them helpless.
We are helpless, we are weaker, we are smaller, we are meeker. Fight, we must, to save ourselves. Fight, we must, to defeat the evil. Fight in a way new and different. Today, on this day, we will resist, resist, resist. Today, on this day, we will protest, protest, protest. Today, on this day, we will defeat, defeat, defeat. We are helpless, we are weaker, we are smaller, we are meeker.
The next few weeks were a story of horror and fear for the little birds. Baldy bullied and harassed the flock. She stole away their meager food and made frightening faces at the chicks. All through the day, the flock was ordered around by Baldy. She made them fetch twigs for her nest, build her nest, fetch food for her and her chicks, teach her baby eagles how to fly, and stand guard outside her nest. The birds were subjected to Baldy's anger, taunts, and sly blows. Things came to a boil when Baldy kicked the robin and broke her leg.
We are shocked at the misfortune that has come to the doorstep of our friend the robin. We should unite against the bully. Yes, Hops, let us build up bird opinion against the bully. We should not suck up to her. Fight her. We must. Yes, Oops, with all our might. No! Haven't you learnt your lesson? Did attacking the eagle help you the last time? Attacking Baldy is not the answer. The best option is to resist in a peaceful manner. But how will we defend ourselves? The eagle is stronger and more powerful than us. Let me show you how.
The next morning, Baldy was shocked to see bird-written notices hanging on all the tree trunks. The eagle chicks were shocked at their mother's disgrace. They went to the flock to apologize for their mother's cruel and arrogant behavior. But the flock refused to listen and said they would only forgive if Baldy came herself to ask for forgiveness. This enraged Baldy even more. She started cawing loudly and breaking nests and eggs. She drenched the birds' ladder and spread thorns in their nest. The birds stepped up their resistance. Baldy replied to this by increasing her attacks.
This is not working. Baldy has become very isolated. Exactly, Hama. She is lonely, sad and unhappy. She hid in the apricot tree and sobbed hard. I saw her crying because she has no friends. Sad, very sad.
Why is the forest so dark? Why is the silence so cold? Why is my heart so lonesome? Why are the trees so bare? Why is the forest so dark? Why is the silence so cold? Why is my heart so lonesome? Why are the trees so bare? No friends to cheer me today. I drove them all away. I bruised their gentle soul. What is this pain that's driving me away? Why is the forest so dark? Why is the silence so cold? Why is my heart so lonesome? Why are the trees so bare?
What has happened to our happy forest? Why has it become so sad and silent? I think it is our fault also. We made Baldy very unhappy. But I cannot understand why have we become so unhappy. Let Baldy sulk if she wants to. No. Admit that it is because of us too. We have humiliated Baldy. We isolated her and jeered at her and her young ones. Oh, I get the answer.
When someone hurts me, I feel the anger. When someone hurts me, I feel the pain. When someone hurts me, I feel the wounds that I have, feel the pain all over again. Maybe there's another way. Maybe I should walk away. When someone hurts me, when I feel the pain. When someone hurts me, when I feel the pain. Pause and wait, stand up straight. Pause and wait, stand up straight and walk away, walk away. Walk away, far away. Walk away to a new day. Walk away, far away. Away from pain, away from hate. To live your way, your way.
My grandmother once told me, and I think she was right, that if you create negative emotions for somebody and give them pain, even if you feel victorious, the next moment you yourself will feel sorry. Because the negativity that you spread will come right back to you too. So, don't you think that our plan for Baldy should change? And that it is time to do the reverse? Agreed!
The next morning, Baldy was surprised to see a huge pile of jungle fruit, acorns, nuts, berries, mushrooms, and worms outside her nest. She asked the forest folk as to who'd left the gifts, but as per plan, they refused to call truce or respond. It was then that Baldy realized her mistake. She then went from nest to nest dropping part of the gifts. She realized that harming the defenseless was a very bad thing. It was her choice to remain aloof, but it was not her choice to harm them. She realized that she had to use her power to protect those that were weaker than her.
Today we won the fight. Today we drove the evil away. Today we calmly made our point. Let's teach how to love. Let's teach how to care. Let's teach how to nurture. Let's teach how to share. Today we won the fight. Today we drove the evil away. Today we calmly made our point. Let's teach how to love. Let's teach how to care. Let's teach how to nurture. Let's teach how to share. Today we won the fight.
Have you been to the forest recently? Did you see sparrows perched upon a bald eagle's head? Did you see dozens of sparrows and robins cawing loudly under her wingspan?
The sky so blue, the sun so true, the treetop shining, there's music somewhere in the air. Trumpets, flutes and drums, cherries, peas and plums, music in the air. The sky so blue, the sun so true, the treetop shining, there's